We have the KX and the brute force, T-Rex and the Mule Pro, got the Concourse and the KLX for them highways and the back roads, Vulcan S, Z1000, KLRs and Digi Camo. You know how it goes. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. With some brand new shoes, let's hit the mud, hammer down, stand it up and hear the V-twin singing through the big gun. Yeah, hit the throttle, feel the power. The competition has been devoured. Kawi green, that's all they see. No wonder the other side been so sour. But it's okay, yeah, it's all good. We'll just take a little rip to the backwoods. Grab a couple of friends and put them in a T-Rex, rub dust with a lead foot. If you ain't into that, we still got your back. Just take a look around you. Bred to be strong, built to be winners, so we ain't never coming last place. You know the slogan, man, and you know how we live it. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. Yeah, it's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. Leaving marks on asphalt to those big mud holes. One more time, it's Kawasaki, let the good times roll.
Power to move heavy loads comes from a new 999cc twin-cylinder Kawasaki engine. It features an increase in top speed, so those of you on a time crunch can get where you need to be faster. A continuously variable transmission produces smooth transitional power and responsive uphill acceleration. And depending on the situation, it's easy to select two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive from a dash-mounted switch. The rugged chassis of the Mule PRO-FXT 1000 LE offers confident and capable handling thanks to front and rear double wishbone suspension. The result is a smooth and comfortable ride, all while being able to haul up to 1,000 pounds or tow up to 2,000 pounds. New increased wheel travel and ground clearance gives you the ability to handle rugged terrain better than ever before. With the Mule PRO-FXT, thanks to the exclusive Transcab system, you've got the versatility of 3 to 6 passenger cabin seating and a high-capacity cargo bed for hauling more when you need. Converting between 3 and 6 passenger modes is easy, and it only takes one person around 1 minute to do. Comfort was a big focus with this model. The spacious cabin provides all-day comfort for work or for having some fun outdoors. To help save your energy, this vehicle has speed-sensitive electric power steering, especially when you're maneuvering at lower speeds. Inside the spacious cabin, you'll find thick bench seats with plenty of leg and shoulder room. Servicing the vehicle is now easier than ever with better access to the oil filter, dipstick, and air filter. In addition, the new air intake system provides cleaner air to help keep your vehicle running smoothly for a longer duration so you can focus on the job at hand. Let me tell you, this unit right here looks the part too. With quad headlights up front and black cast aluminum wheels, there is no doubt this is the best looking side-by-side on the market. And for all you out,
you know how it goes. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. With some brand new shoes, let's hit the mud, hammer down, stand it up and hear the V-twin singing through the big gun. Yeah, hit the throttle, feel the power. The competition has been